Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Halifax credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.halifax.co.uk/creditcards/activate.html. You'll also find the link in the description box below. Simply click on that link and you'll be taken to this page where you can easily activate your credit card online. Scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see a bunch of options. You can either activate your card with Halifax mobile application, or you can choose to activate your card online by choosing the second option, or if you want to use some other methods to activate your card, click on the last option. Let me click on the second option over here in this video. Once you click on this option, you'll be able to see that there is a button that says activate your credit card. Give it a click as well. On the next page, fill in the details in the text boxes. Start off by typing in your credit card number you'd like to activate with Halifax and enter your date of birth information from the drop down below. Select your expiry date from the drop down for your card and click on the activate button at the bottom right in order to activate your Halifax credit card online. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end in order to do so. That's how you can easily activate your Halifax credit card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.